Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find your MAC address on LENOVO Legion. To find the MAC address, you just need to do a really simple thing, which is click on the start button, then type in CMD and click on enter. Now type in ipconfig /all. And it will give you a report, and here you have different adapters. So there's the Ethernet adapter, Ethernet adapter is the type here, and here is the name of it. So you can see my MAC address here. Then the Ethernet 2 has this MAC address because I have a hub connected which also has the Ethernet. That's why I have two Ethernets. Then the wireless LAN 1, wireless LAN 2 also have their MAC address. They are for the local area connection. And then here is the wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi, so this is for your Wi-Fi, and the MAC address will be where the physical address is, so it's here. And also for the Bluetooth network connection, which is for connecting to internet over Bluetooth, it is here. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.